Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the optical drive if installed, base enclosure, and primary storage drive assembly. Removal. Important: make careful note of the position of the primary storage drive bracket on the primary storage drive for later replacement. Disconnect the primary storage drive adapter cable from the primary storage drive. Remove the four 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the primary storage drive to the primary storage drive brackets. Remove the primary storage drive from the primary storage drive brackets. Place the primary storage drive in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the primary storage drive from the static dissipative bag and place it into position on the primary storage drive brackets. Replace the four 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the primary storage drive to the primary storage drive brackets. Connect the primary storage drive adapter cable into the primary storage drive.